Have you ever noticed that when someone believes in you, you tend to believe in yourself more too? Or that when you're given a lot of responsibility, you rise to the challenge and perform better? If so, you might be experiencing the Pygmalion effect, also known as the Rosenthal effect. This psychological phenomenon describes how our expectations can influence our behavior and performance. In this video, we will discuss what the Pygmalion effect is, how it works, and how you can leverage it to achieve your goals. So let's get started. The Pygmalion effect is a type of self-fulfilling prophecy in which an individual's expectations about themselves or others ultimately influence their behavior and outcomes. The term was coined in 1979 by social psychologist Robert Rosenthal and educator Lenore Jacobson based on the Greek myth of Pygmalion, a sculptor who fell in love with a statue he had carved and wished it would come to life. In their 1968 study, Rosenthal and Jacobson told 120 elementary school teachers that some of their students were identified as having a high potential for intellectual growth. Even though these students were randomly selected, over time the students lived up to their teachers' expectations and showed significant academic improvement. This was because the teachers gave them more attention, support, and encouragement, which in turn boosted the students' confidence and motivation to succeed. The Pygmalion effect has been demonstrated in various fields such as education, workplace, sports, and relationships. For example, when managers have high expectations of their employees, they are more likely to receive positive performance reviews, promotions, and salary increases. Similarly, when coaches believe their athletes can win, they are more likely to train harder, perform better, and achieve their goals. There are several mechanisms through which the Pygmalion effect operates. One is that when we have high expectations of ourselves or others, we tend to focus on their strengths and downplay their weaknesses. We also tend to give them more attention, support, and encouragement, which in turn boosts their confidence and motivation. Additionally, positive feedback reinforces desired behaviors and encourages individuals to maintain or improve their performance. The Pygmalion effect has several implications for individuals, organizations, and society as a whole. On the positive side, it highlights the importance of setting high but realistic expectations to foster growth and improvement. It also emphasizes the role of positive feedback and support in helping people reach their potential. However, it also warns against the dangers of low expectations, which can limit potential and perpetuate underperformance. By understanding the Pygmalion effect, we can harness its power to improve our own lives and the lives of others. Whether you are a student, employee, athlete, or simply someone who wants to improve their mindset, remember that your expectations can shape your reality. So set high expectations, provide support, give constructive feedback, and avoid bias, and watch as you and those around you start to thrive. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share for more insightful content. Until next time, thanks for watching.